Yeah, so I had all this fucking scrap shoved in there. The hatch was strapped down. That piece of string. Had it strapped down, was driving. All this aluminum here. Copper in there. Found this stupid piece of aluminum extrusion, like a ladder, like one of those walkway things. Normally a piece of wood on it. Well, I thought I could shove it in there. It stuck out quite a bit. Thought it was working out good. Until hit a fucking bump. It's pushed outwards. So, just blew the fucking windshield. Little piece of excavation. So, I guess that's why you don't stick stuff that's too big into your little tiny fucking hatchback. Oh. Shit happens, so things falling apart.